Setting up an email contest campaign. Hey there, everyone. We have been extensively talking about how the best way to encourage people to join your email lists is by incentivizing them with a reward. You might have noticed that it has become increasingly trendy to attract people to follow a business with a very engaging type of reward: giveaways. The appeal of giveaways is in the thrill of the opportunity that they give people to get a premium-priced good for free. And they are being used with great results by email marketers to generate lots of subscriber engagement that always end up converted into purchases later on. We want you to learn how to run your own email contests. And in this video, we are going to show you how to do it affordably, quickly, and easily. First, you will need to join a marketing platform that allows you to run contests. And we recommend you to join Gleam, a free-to-use contest marketing platform. You will simply have to go to gleam.io on your browser, to click on Sign Up, and then to complete the registration process. Once you sign up, you will be able to log in and create awesome contests the easy way. As you can see, there are several types of contests that you can run. And in this video, we're going to show you how to set up an email contest that you can use to promote your business and to encourage subscribers to engage repeatedly with your content. Start by clicking on the New Competition button. Now enter the name of your contest in the name field. We recommend you to always use a combination of the name of the prize that you are going to give away and the action required to enter the contest. In our case, we're going to name it Visit Us and win an Easy Touch Test Strips Tri-Pack. Now click on the User Details tab and paste your Facebook page's URL in the Allow Users to Like a Facebook Page field. Now click on the How to Enter tab and select the Visit a Page option. In the title field, enter an actionable phrase to tell your subscribers to click through the link. In our case, we're simply going to use the name of the contest here. Now check the mandatory and daily entry options to increase the chances of your email competition being forwarded to others. Now enter your website's URL in the Link URL field. Lastly, check the Automatically Complete option to continue. Now click on the Prize tab and enter the name of your prize in the Name Title field, and enter the number of winners in the Number of Winners field. Now click on Save to finish setting up your contest. On the following page, click on the URL located under Landing Page and then copy the landing page URL when you're redirected to it. Now you will have to set up an email campaign to forward the contest to your subscribers. In our case, we're going to start by going to our MailChimp account. Once there, we're going to click on Create Campaign and then on the Create an Email option. Now we are going to name our campaign, and then we'll click on Begin to start creating our email. First, we're going to click on Add Recipients. Then we're going to click on the Choose a List menu to select our subscriber list. We are going to send this campaign to all subscribers in our list, so we click on Save to continue. Now we are going to click on Add Subject to add our subject line. For this campaign, we are going to add the name of our Gleam contest as our subject line. Now we save, and then click on Add From to add the campaign's sender's name and email address. We save again, and then click on Design Email. On the Select Template page, we're going to click on the Themes tab to look for a theme that fits our contest. So we select the Competition Invitation theme. Now what we will have to do is to click on the Edit buttons corresponding to each block in the design to replace the logo and the image with our brand logo and the image of our prize using the Replace option. Now we are going to edit the placeholder text to enter our email contest copy. Lastly, we're going to click on the Enter Now button to add our contest URL in the web address field. Now we will click on Save and Close to continue. Now that we are finished setting up this campaign, we will have to schedule it or send it right away. For this example case, we are going to simply send it off immediately. So we simply click on Send and then on Send Now to forward it to our subscribers. And that is it.